Hello everybody, and I know I want to get a Friday video out for you guys, and I was like, what in the world am I going to film? I have had a big time busy day already today, starting 6 a.m. I have gone through Ronnie's Chester drawers, his clothes. Yesterday I cleaned out this big closet. I bagged up stuff. I have done everything working on my house, and I had to run to Wally World. Everybody loves Wally World, and I know that I just went to Walmart, but I just thought I would share with you guys really quickly just some random things that I bought. So I bought some zebra cakes. I love these things. I used to eat these all the time when I was a kid. Seen them, just grabbed them. Sometimes I like a little something sweet with my coffee, you know, and I feel like I have done work this week and I just deserve a zebra cake. I don't need it, guys, but I deserve it. Some hot dog buns. I did get me a new scrubber thing for the dishes. I love these things because you put the dish soap right here in this chamber and it comes out as you wash. And anything that can make, I know this looks terrible behind me. I'm actually taking all of my wallpaper down. I've got project after project going on, so bear with me. So just bear with me. I did get one of these toilet bowl cleaners, you know, that has the bleach in it for our downstairs bathroom. I decided to try this Dawn Power Wash. I like the Dawn soap, so I thought, what's a power wash, right? I bought me another one of these. If you have not, I'm sorry about me jerking the camera on, but if you have not tried these, and if you've seen my latest vlog where I went to Walmart, I bought one of these. I had to buy another one. It works so stupendously. You will not believe the dirt and the grime that I have been cleaning up in this house with this. I sprayed that on my baseboards and you could see it just running off, and I just took rags, and I mean, it just was getting things spotless. It was awesome. I had to buy some more. If something works, by the way, just so I'm putting this out there, I'm not sponsored. Nope. So anything that I share in my videos is non-sponsored content. I am just passing on the wisdom to all of you because you all are my friends, and I love each and every one of you so dearly that I want to share with you what really works. So we got this 50% less scrubbing, and we all know that ain't true, but Dawn does work the best for me where I live. And then I got these Febreze Small Spaces things. I seen Do It on a Dime have these, and she raved about them, and they were on sale today, pretty cheap, so I just went ahead and I grabbed a pack of 2, and I'm just going to put it in my upstairs bathroom and my downstairs bathroom just to make it smell good. And then I also bought 2 cans. These were on clearance as well. That's one thing about shopping at Walmart. They do have a lot of things where they will have combined items, and they'll be actually cheaper to go that route than it would be to just buy one. So I got the lilac and violet air Febreze sprays for my bathrooms. I gotta tell you, you know what? We use spray in the bathroom because sometimes it don't smell good in there. I think everybody does. But anyways, but the Febreze ones, I really like them. I really do think that they mask the odors very well. So what did I do? I also bought, and I you know what, I'm going to come back here and I'm going to show it to you. So just hold on one second. So this is what I went for. Walmart ended up being the cheapest place. It actually was cheaper than buying it secondhand. This is also adjustable from twin to king size. Now, my frame upstairs, for whatever it's worth, it was not big enough. I could not make the mattresses work on it. This is for my guest room because my father is coming to stay with us for a day or so. And so I am going to assemble this today sometime and put that bed together. I got new sheets that I bought from Amazon, so I'll show those to you. And I will let you know if I like them or not. This stuff here I bagged up. This was the remainder of stuff that belongs to my mother-in-law, and I have to walk that next door. And then if you walk through my house here, I'm going to show you guys this. This is stuff I'm throwing out, and I have to walk it to the street so that it is picked up. I've got a couple cardboard boxes that need to be broke down and taken out. But yeah, I have been doing a lot of work, guys. A lot of work. Well, I just thought I would show you. This is the brand, okay? And these are for my guest room. I got the bed put together. It assembled really, really good. By the way, I think I said that the bed frame came from Walmart. I gotta tell you guys, it was the cheapest one that I could find. It was like $43. And secondhand, I called Goodwill and they wanted more than $43 for a bed frame. I think it's ridiculous, really ridiculous. But I want to say that I got these, I'm pushing them over here because I want to put them in the washing machine. I bought these sheets from Amazon a while back, and they are the kind with the extra deep pockets and the extra elastic to hold them onto the bed. I'm going to tell you, these are extremely soft, and I can't wait to wash them and put them on the bed. And I'm knocking stuff off here. I can't wait to put them on the bed. I bought this sort of neutral gray color because I figured if I would change up the bedding or anything, these would just match whatever. And I can't wait to wash these. I'm going to get them on the bed and get it set up. So I just washed all of my makeup brushes. This was overdue. This is my makeup bag. It is stained, but I'm going to spray it with some of the Mr. Clean cleaner and just let it set and scrub it, give it a good scrub and let it air dry before I put all my stuff in it. But I absolutely use this bag every single day. I love it. It just houses my everyday stuff, my deodorant, my makeup, my brushes, and I use the same stuff every single day if I do wear makeup. I put wipes in here. This has a holder for your brushes, but they always fall out. I never ever use that. So yeah, I'm gonna get this scrubbed. I got these few dishes I need to be doing, but I just made myself a coffee. I need a little pick-me-up. You ever feel that way? Please tell me I'm the only one. Not the only one. That looks so good. Now I'm going to have that and get myself awake and get to moving again. Okay, this is my guest room. Remember, this is an old house. Things are not perfect, so there you go. I'm putting it out there. We have green carpet in this room. I need to vacuum really good. That's the rug I'm going to put by the bed. That ottoman's going to go in the office. And then this is my hope chest. But that stuff there, we're going to have to get somebody to move, and that's not going to happen for a little while. That is still my in-laws' items. And remember, anytime you move something this big, it's got to go down 2 flights of stairs, either on the inside of the house or the outside of the house. So you got to get somebody that can heavy lift, and finding good help these days is really hard. But I did hang these curtains in here. Look at that ugly 80s border. And this new comforter, so the bed's all nice and clean. And then the nightstand over here. And then this, I'm going to move down to the kitchen. Well, my dining room, because this is all cookbooks. And it's not really serving the purpose being here. I can't read them. Well, what I mean is I can come up and get them, but they need to really be downstairs so that I can utilize them and use them more. So I'm going to be moving all of these books downstairs, and I need to vacuum real good and put the rug down. So we got the rug, and I vacuumed, bed all made, curtains hung, things dusted, ceiling fan spotless, new light bulbs and everything. We got my hope chest over here. I'm going to be seeing my mom, and that's her Mother's Day gift. That's how long it's been 8 months since I've seen my parents. So I am going to end this vlog here, just saying that I know that I'm a little late releasing my video today. I know tomorrow I'm probably going to be a little late, just simply for the fact that I have so many irons in the fire, and I'm trying to do so many things. I did get my bookcase moved down here with all my books. It took me 8 trips down 2 flights of stairs, but I did it. And I got hot because, heat rises, so our upstairs is nice and warm. It's been like tropical here. That's how warm. And humid, like so humid. And everything's growing like crazy, like the trees, the flowers, the grass, because it literally is like a greenhouse outside. It's that hot. So tomorrow, when this goes out on Friday, Saturday, I am going shopping with my good friend, and I'm going to be running some errands that day. And I'm probably going to do a Aldi haul for you guys. It's probably going to be a little small one because my dad is coming to town, and I'm going to be fixing him some dinner, and I want to make a couple of things that I can take with me to my mom's. And so I'm going to pick up a few things because I need a few bits and bobs, and then that's probably going to go out on Monday. It's going to be an Aldi haul. And I think I'm going to the Dollar Tree and to Menards tomorrow also. So I might take you on a little bit of a little shopping trip with me, kind of a look-see. And then that'll come out on Monday. And I got to tell you guys, look forward to my vacation videos next. So you'll get to see little Bella if you guys are not familiar. Look under my playlist. It says Trips to Morgantown. That's where my parents live. They got a little puppy last time I was there, and she is going to be turning 1 year old while I'm in Morgantown, and she is grown up, and she's so cute, and I cannot wait to give her hugs and kisses. I even bought her a baby. If you guys, I think I shared it. Yeah, I did. I shared it in a video when I showed you what I bought from Gabe's here in Huntington. So, so thank you so much for watching. I do apologize. This is kind of a short, random video. I also apologize for my appearance, but I gotta tell you, I have been working like a mad woman, just because, not because I had to have some of these things done, like I didn't have to have some of these things done, but I just going to feel so much better for having these things done when I go out of town. Like, my mind will be at ease, and I can come home and everything be just so nice and caught up. I'm just so looking forward to that. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a fantastic Friday and have a great weekend, guys. Have a great weekend. I'm going to have a great weekend. I'm claiming that, sometimes you have to put your stake into it and say, no matter what I'm going to face, I'm going to have a great, blessed weekend. And I love each and every one of you for watching. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.